Covalent bond may be classified into two types, sigma bond and pi bond. This is based upon the type of overlapping of the bonding orbitals. So what is meant by sigma bond? It is the bond formed when the bonding orbitals overlap along the internuclear axis, or this is also known as head-on overlap. So if the bonding orbitals overlap along the internuclear axis, there will be maximum overlapping and the bond formed will be stronger. Therefore, sigma bond is stronger compared to pi bond. Now, what is meant by SS overlapping? If the half-filled s orbital of one atom overlaps with the half-filled s orbital of another atom along the internuclear axis, it results in SS overlapping and the bond formed will be sigma bond. Now, what is meant by sp overlapping? If the half-filled s orbital of one atom overlaps with the half-filled p orbital, that is pz orbital of another atom along the internuclear axis, then the overlapping is known as sp overlapping, and this will also result in a sigma bond. What is meant by pp overlapping? If the half-filled pz orbital of one atom overlaps axially with the half-filled pz orbital of another atom, that is along the internuclear axis, it is known as pp overlapping, and this will also result in a stronger bond, that is sigma bond. So SS overlapping, SP overlapping and PP overlapping of bonding orbitals can lead to the formation of a stronger bond, that is sigma bond. Let us now consider how a pi bond is formed. A pi bond will be formed if the half-filled px orbital of one atom overlaps in a sideways manner with the half-filled px orbital of another atom. So here the two orbitals overlap in a sideways manner and the two orbitals will be lying perpendicular to the internuclear axis. So this type of bonding is known as pi bond and it is pp overlapping. Since the overlap will not be taking place to a larger extent, this will result in a weaker bond and hence pi bond is considered to be weaker compared to a sigma bond. Let us now try to understand the concept of hybridization introduced by Pauling and which is used to explain the shape of molecules. What is meant by hybridization? It is the process of mixing of atomic orbitals of slightly different energies so as to redistribute their energies and which results in the formation of a set of new orbitals of equivalent energies and shape. The new set of orbitals formed are called as the hybrid orbitals. For example, consider beryllium fluoride BeF2. Here the central atom is beryllium. Its atomic number is 4 and the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2. In the ground state, the configuration can be written as 2s orbital with 2 electrons and the 2p orbital is vacant. In the excited state, one electron from the 2s orbital will get promoted to one of the vacant 2p orbitals. And after that, one 2s orbital will mix with one 2p orbital to give two sp hybrid orbitals. Therefore, we say that here beryllium is under sp hybridized state, or the hybridization of beryllium is sp. As a result of this hybridization, two hybrid orbitals will be obtained and these two hybrid orbitals are named as sp hybrid orbitals. Next, we have to consider how the BeF bond is formed. There are two BeF bonds in BeF2 and each BeF bond is formed by the overlap of the sp hybrid orbital of beryllium with the pz orbital of fluorine. There are two sp hybrid orbitals. So in order to minimize the repulsion, the two hybrid orbitals will be oriented at an angle of 180 degree. Therefore, BeF2 molecule is linear. Consider BF3. Here the central atom is boron. Its atomic number is 5 and the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. The ground state electronic configuration can be shown as 2 electrons in the 2s orbital and 1 electron in one of the 2p orbitals. In the excited state, one of the 2s electron will get promoted to the vacant 2p orbital. And after that, one 2s orbital will mix with two 2p orbitals to give 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. So here boron is under sp2 hybridized state and 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals will be formed. These 3 hybrid orbitals will be having 1 electron each. Next we have to know how the BF bond is formed. There are 3 BF bonds in BF3. Each of the BF bond, that is sigma bond, is formed by the overlap of the sp2 hybrid orbital of boron with the pz orbital of fluorine. The 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals will be oriented at an angle of 120 degree. This is to minimize the electron repulsion. And therefore, the molecule BF3 will be trigonal planar.